In this video, I'm gonna walk through how I mix up the 901C carbon kit from the Golf Course Lawn Store, along with a little bit of micronutrient. So what I'm using today for applying the products is a 4-gallon backpack sprayer. This is one that we carry on the Golf Course Lawn Store, but I mean, any sprayer that you guys have will work. The amount of product that you're gonna see me mixing up assumes that you're gonna be creating 4 gallons of solution, which will go over 4,000 square feet. So again, just adjust the numbers to fit whatever you happen to be spraying on your lawn. My entire lawn is around 12,000 square feet, so it takes 3 tankfuls of this to spray the entire lawn. So we'll kind of walk through it. So the first thing that I do, so there's a couple different components to the carbon kit. You have Release 901C, NutriKelp, and biospectrum. I like 901C to start the season out because it's a little bit less nitrogen than some of the other fertilizers that we carry. So it's an easy, gentle way to wake the lawn up. The rates for these, for the carbon kit, are 3 ounces per thousand, 3 ounces per thousand, and then if you're adding micronutrient, this is 6 ounces per thousand. But whenever I'm mixing this, I first like to start out with biospectrum. Biospectrum is a microbial powder that helps enhance the fertilizer uptake in your soil. So when it comes to this, you would not add this directly to the sprayer. So what I do is I get a cup, add some water to it. It doesn't really matter how much, you just need to have some water in a measuring cup to be able to get the solution suspended. So what I use is a little plastic spoon and about a level spoon of biospectrum. So you'll see, so I can show you guys, about that much. About that much is what will go into 4 gallons of water. So we'll add that, close this off, and then using your spatula, get it all nicely suspended. I've already pre-fill the sprayer about 2/3 full with water. So if you're doing this, you don't want to add these products to an empty spray tank. You want to ensure that there's some water in here. Anywhere between half full to 3/4 full is a good number to go with. So we get biospectrum nicely mixed up. Create like an intermediate solution, like what you've got here. As you can see, that's how it looks when it's all suspended. And then we'll just add that to the tank, like so. All right, so now we'll go through and start adding the other parts of it. So again, Release 901C, 3 ounces per thousand. So because I'm going to be adding that to 4 gallons of water over 4,000 square feet, I'm gonna use a total of 12 ounces of Release 901C. So let's see if we can hit this on camera and get pretty close. Should make sure this is nice and level here, a level spot of the table. And right there. All right, so that's 12 ounces of Release 901C in the tank. Next up, we'll do NutriKelp. Again, this just goes at 3 ounces per thousand, so a total of 12 ounces of product. There we go. Goes in the tank. And then now finally the Golf Course Lawn micronutrients. So this has got your iron, zinc, molybdenum, pretty much all the micros that you'll see in your soil test kit. This is gonna help address that. With this guy, it's 6 ounces per thousand, so we'll use a total of 24 ounces in 4 gallons of water to cover 4,000 square feet. So you get this nice and level there. And I'll get up to 24. All right. About like that. Almost like I've done it before, right? All right, so we add these to the tank. So now we've got Release 901C, NutriKelp, the micros. At this point, what you would do, what I would suggest you do is you take your cap, throw that on, and give this a nice shake, get it suspended, get everything mixed up nicely. And then we'll take the cap off, continue filling it, and then you're good to go out and spray 4,000 square feet. The last tip I'll tell you guys is the correct spray tip. What I've got here is the foliar spray tip. It's a red T-jet tip. You can see here, I'll have a link in the description to this. So this is really important to use the correct tip because With this kit, with what we've got here in the solution, you're gonna be spraying it over the lawn and not watering it in. So a finer droplet is the correct, the nozzle produces a fine droplet, which you're gonna want for best results. So hope you guys found this useful. As you can see, it's really not difficult to get a good result when it comes to mixing up liquids just around your lawn. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you're interested in the 901C carbon kit, all the various products, you can get these at the Golf Course Lawn Store. I'll have them in stock, and also I'll have links in the description as well as where you can pick them up. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next video.